Rational numbers. Rational numbers are the numbers which are in the form P upon Q, where P and Q both are integers. Okay, where P and Q both are integers. I told you in the previous video about the integers that integers are the negative and positive numbers including 0. So here what we see that P and Q are integers and rational numbers are in the form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers but Q is not equal to 0. But Q is not equal to 0. Okay, P can be equal to 0 but Q cannot be equal to 0. Now for example we can say 3 upon 4, it is a rational number because 3 and 4 both are integers. We can say minus 5 upon 9, this is also a rational number because minus 5 is also an integer and 9 is also an integer. Now minus 3 upon minus 1, this is also an integer, rational number because minus 3 is also an integer and minus 1 is also an integer. Then 7 upon minus 9, this is also an rational number because 7 is also an integer and minus 9 is also an integer. Now if I say 2 is also a rational number because when a number is not having any denominator, we can put 1 as the denominator. So 2 is also a rational number. Okay, because we can take 1 as the denominator. Then if I take 0, then this is also a rational number because we can take 1 as the denominator. But we cannot take 3 upon 0 or any number upon 0 as the rational number because as per the definition of rational number, Q cannot be equal to 0. So this is not a rational number. Okay, because dividing any number by 0 cannot be defined. We cannot divide a number by 0. Okay, so this number is not defined. So this is not a rational number. Now when we go towards the exercise, the first question of the exercise is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0? Yes. Just now I told you that 0 is a rational number and it can be written in the form P upon Q, where Q is not equal to 0. Now we see the second question. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Second question is find 3 rational numbers between 3 and 4. We have to find 3 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Actually, between any 2 rational numbers, okay, there are infinite numbers of rational numbers. Between any 2 numbers, there are infinite number of rational numbers. But here it is being told that we have to find only 3 rational numbers. So, how many rational numbers we have to find? 3. So, what we do? We add, take 3 upon 1. Sorry. We have to find between 3 and 4 also. So, we take 3 upon 1. Okay. Into, here we can take it as 6. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. So, 3 upon 1 into 7 upon 7. From where we got this 7? 6 we have to find. So, we are taking 1 more than 6. Okay. So, this is 3 and into 7 upon 7. 7 we have taken because this is 6. and one more than 6, we add 1 means 6 and we get 7, and 7 upon 7 we get is equal to 7 3s are 21 upon 7. And again here we take 4 upon 1, this is 4, into 7 upon 7, 1 more than 6, we get 28 upon 7. Now this is equal to 3 and this is equal to 4. We can take rational numbers between 21 upon 7 and 28 upon 7, and they will be 22 upon 7, 23 upon 7, 24 upon 7, 25 upon 7, 26 upon 7 and 27 upon 7. These are the 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Okay. Now you find 5 rational numbers. This is your question to do. You have to do this question. Note down the question. Find 5 rational numbers between 8 and 9. Find 5 rational numbers between 8 and 9.